Dear students, Sat Shri Akal. In today's video, we are presenting a video of class 8th, subject Computer Science, term 2, syllabus revision. In this video, we have revised lesson 1 to lesson 8 by answering the question of 1 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks according to the syllabus. So let us now have a look at the Computer Science subject paper pattern. So as you can see in this table, 50 marks are distributed according to paper pattern in this table. First of all, we look at the total marks column, in which the marks are distributed from lesson 1 to lesson 8. According to this pattern, a paper of 6 marks will come from lesson number 1, typing tutor, and similarly, a paper of 8 marks will come from lesson number 2, internet fundamental, and so on. Similarly, if we talk about 1 mark question, so there are 25 questions of 1 marks will come from all the lesson mentioned here. Similarly, 3 marks question will come from all the other lesson except lesson number 2, lesson number 3, and lesson number 7. Similarly, questions carrying 5 marks each will come from lesson 2 and lesson 3. Now we start revising the question answer of all these lessons. So let's get started. We will now learn about multiple choice questions which is carrying 1 marks. The first one is dash font can be used to type in Punjabi, and their options are Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Joy, and the last one is all of the above, and the right answer is all of the above font can be used to type in Punjabi. And second one is what is the full form of Unicode, and the options are Union Code, Unified Code, Universal Code, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the full form of Unicode is Universal Code. And the third one is which of the following Unicode font can be used for typing in Punjabi. And their options are Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Aziz, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is Ravi Unicode font can be used for typing in Punjabi. And the fourth one is which of the following phonetic font can be used for typing in Punjabi. And their options are Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Aziz, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is Anmol Lipi phonetic font can be used for typing in Punjabi. Fifth one is to use number pad, dash should be kept on, and the options are num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is to use number pad, num lock should be kept on. And the sixth one is international network of computer is known as dash, and the options are ARPANET, intranet, internet, and the last one is Ethernet. And the right answer is international network of computer is known as internet. And the seventh question is www stand for dash, and their options are World Wide Web, World Web Wide, Wide World Web, and the last one is Web World Wide. And the right answer is www stand for World Wide Web. And eighth one is a dash is an online conversation over the internet, and their options are e-commerce, chatting, www, or none of these. And the right answer is a chatting is an online conversation over the internet. Ninth one is dash is the fastest way of sending mails, and their options are telegram, letter, ISP, and the last one is email. And the right answer is email is the fastest way of sending mails. And 10th one is dash a device that connect a computer with telephone line, and their options are modem, telephone wire, mouse, and the last one is mobile. And their right answer is modem is a device that connect a computer with telephone line. And 11th one is dash means our computer is receiving data from the internet, and their options are uploading, downloading, surfing, and the last one is none of these. And their right answer is downloading means our computer is receiving data from the internet. And 12th one is the opening page of a website is usually called dash, and their options are home page, web page, main page, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the opening page of a website is usually called home page. 13th one is Dash indicate a state of connectivity, and their options are offline, online, inline, and the last one is none of these, and the right answer is online indicate a state of connectivity. And 14th one is dash means to move from place to place on the internet to search for the topic of interest. And their options are web searching, downloading, web surfing, or all of these. And the right answer is web surfing means to move from place to place on the internet to search for the topics of interest. And 15th one is dash is a form of electronic commerce which allow consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. And their options are net banking, email, online shopping, and the last one is mobile. And the right answer is online shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. And 16th one is dash a presentation graphic software, and their options are PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and the last one is Paint. And the right answer is PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software. 17th one is a dash is the process of presenting a topic to an audience, and their options are word processor, slide, presentation, and the last one is transition. And the right answer is A. Presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. And 18th one is a dash is a single page of presentation, and their options are slide, document, sheet, or none of these. And the right answer is a slide is a single page of presentation. 19th one is dash contain the current slide in our presentation, and their options are outline pane, content pane, ribbon, and the last one is slide pane. And the right answer is slide pane contains the current slide in our presentation. 21 is a dash defines the design and placement of different elements on a slide, and their options are background style, placeholder, slide layout, and the last one is pattern. And the right answer is a slide layout defines the design and placement of different elements on a slide. And 21st one is a dash is a blend of two or more colors merging into each other, and their options are theme, pattern, background style, and the last one is gradient. And the right answer is a gradient is a blend of two or more colors merging into each other. And 22nd one is dash is the default view where we create, edit, and design our slide, and their options are normal view, slide sorter view, and the last one is reading view. And the right answer is normal view is the default view where we create, edit, and design our slides. And 23rd one is there are dash default slide background style available in PowerPoint 2010, and their options are 48, 4, 12, and the last one is 3. And the right answer is there are 12 default slide background style available in PowerPoint 2010. 24th one is the dash control allow us to zoom in for a closer look at slide content, and the options are zoom, slide, normal view, and the last one is gradient. And the right answer is the zoom control allow us to zoom in for a closer look at slide content. And 25th one is a dash is the visual and motion effect that occurs when we move from one slide to the next slide during a presentation. And their options are slide transition, animation, animation scheme, and the last one is slideshow. And the right answer is a slide transition is the visual and motion effect that occurs when we move from one slide to the next slide during a presentation. And 26th one is PowerPoint provide dash type of animations, and their options are 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right answer is presentation provide 4 types of animation. And 27th one is PowerPoint provide predefined collection of animation effect which are also known as dash, and their options are slide transition, animation, animation scheme, and last one is slideshow. And the right answer is PowerPoint provide predefined collection of animation effect which are also known as animation scheme. And 28th one is full form of PDF is dash, and their options are portable data format, portable document form, portable data form, and the last one is portable document format. And the right answer is full form of PDF is portable document format. 29th one is we can save our PowerPoint presentation as a PowerPoint show with dash extension, and their options are .ppsx, .ppt, .pptx, and the last one is .pdf. And the right answer is we can save our PowerPoint presentation as a PowerPoint show with .ppsx extension. And 30th one is second generation use the dash as their basic component, and their options are vacuum tube, VLSI, ULSI, and the last one is transistor. And the right answer is second generation use the transistor as their basic component. And 31st one is the dash generation of computer used VLSI circuit, and the options are first, second, third, fourth. And the right answer is the fourth generation of computer used VLSI circuits. And 32nd one is the third generation of computer used dash in place of transistor, and their options are integrated circuit, vacuum tube, ULSI, VLSI. And the right answer is the third generation of computers used integrated circuit in place of transistors. And 33rd one is dash is an upcoming branch in computer science which interpret means and method of making computer think like human beings. And their options are robotics, ULSI, artificial intelligence, and the last one is integrated circuit. And the right answer is artificial intelligence is an upcoming branch in computer science which interpret means and methods of making computer think like human beings. And 34th one is ULSI technology is used in dash generation of computers, and the options are second, third, fourth, and the last one is fifth. And the right answer is ULSI technology is used in fifth generation of computers. And 35th one is a group of dash bits is called byte, and the options are 8, 16, 32, and the last one is 64. And the right answer is a group of 8 bits is called byte. And 36th one is a bit or a binary digit may be represented by logical dash, and their options are 01, 00, 12, and the last one is 11. And the right answer is a bit or a binary digit may be represented by logical 0 and 1. And 37th one is RAM stand for dash, and their options are read access memory, random access memory, all of these, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is RAM stand for random access memory. 38th one is ROM stand for dash, and their options are read only memory, random only memory, read open memory, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is ROM stand for read only memory. And 39th one is each track of a disk is subdivided into small portion known as dash, and their options are sector, area, cell, and the last one is tape. And the right answer is each track of a disk is subdivided into small portion known as sectors. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So each carrying 1 marks, and the first question is how to open PowerPoint, and the answer is start, then all program, then Microsoft Office, then select Microsoft PowerPoint. Second one is shortcut key to save the presentation in PowerPoint, and the answer is Ctrl+S. Third one is shortcut key to close PowerPoint, and the right answer is Alt+F4. And the fourth one is shortcut key to start slideshow from the first slide, and the right answer is F5 function key. Fifth one is what is the extension of presentation file in PowerPoint, and the right answer is .pptx. And the sixth one is which term or word is used to open PowerPoint using runbox, and the right answer is power pnt. And the seventh one is what is the shortcut key to insert a new slide, and the right answer is Ctrl+M. And eighth one is what is the shortcut key to create a new presentation, and their right answer is Ctrl+N. And ninth one is which tab is used to format text on the slide, and the right answer is Home tab. And the 10th one is which PowerPoint view is used to deliver our presentation to an audience? And the right answer is slideshow view. And 11th one is, which bar contains the view button and zoom slider in PowerPoint? And the right answer is status bar. So now we will learn about full form, which is also carrying 1 marks. The first one is www, which stands for World Wide Web. Second one is email. Email stands for electronic mail. Third one is modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. Fourth one is ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Fifth one is ISDN. ISDN stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. Sixth one is DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. Seventh one is JPEG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. Eighth one is GIF. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. Ninth one is BMP. BMP stands for Bitmap Picture. 10th one is WMB. WMB stands for Window Media Video. 11th one is PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. 12th one is ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrated and Computer. 13th one is IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machine. And 14th one is IC. IC stands for Integrated Circuit. 15th one is VLSI. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. 16th one is ULSI. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integration. 17th one is AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. 18th one is MB. MB stands for Megabyte. 19th one is GB. GB stands for Gigabyte. 20th one is SRAM. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. And 21st one is PROM. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. 22nd one is IR. IR stands for Instruction Register. So now we will learn about true or false, which is also carrying 1 marks. So the first one is, for typing, the keyboard is divided in two parts, one for the left hand and one for the right hand. Right. Second one is, touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with all fingers while looking at keyboard. Wrong. Third one is, Anmol Lipi font helps us typing in Punjabi. Right. Fourth one is, we use our little finger for the space bar. Wrong. Fifth one is, shift key is used to move down to a new line. Wrong. The sixth one is, the result of any board or university can be seen online. Right. Seventh one is, offline means we are connected with the internet. Wrong. And eighth one is, a website has only a single web page. Wrong. Ninth one is, web search is the act of looking for web pages. Right. 10th one is, each website has its own unique website address. Right. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So each question carrying 3 marks. So our first question is, what is touch typing? So touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with all fingers step by step without having to look down at the keyboard. If all the time we keep on looking for right keys on keyboard, then it slows down our typing speed a lot. Second question is, what are the different types of font used for typing in Punjabi? And the answer are, there are many different types of font available for typing in Punjabi. The font commonly used for Punjabi typing can be divided into two main types. The first one is phonetic font, and their example is Anmol Lipi font, and second one is Unicode font, and their example is Ravi font. And third one is how to type in Punjabi language. Before start typing in Punjabi, we need to choose the appropriate font for typing in Punjabi. There are many fonts which are available for typing in Punjabi. For example, Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Assis, Joy, etc. Anmol Lipi font is a phonetic font which is one of the easiest font to learn typing in Punjabi. For typing with Unicode font, Ravi font is commonly used for typing in Punjabi. And the fourth one is, name any 3 fonts to type in Punjabi language. And the answer is, there are many fonts for typing in Punjabi language. Some of these are given below. First one is Anmol Lipi, second one is Ravi font, third one is Assis font, fourth one is Zoe font. The fifth one is, what is PowerPoint? So PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software. It is a part of MS Office. It allows us to create effective electronic slideshow. We can add animation effect, etc. to the presentation in PowerPoint to make it more effective. The sixth one is write a short note on presentation. And the answer is presentation is the process of presenting a topic to the viewers in an interesting way. The purpose of the presentation is to make the content easily understandable using pictures, text, animation, etc. A presentation can have one or more slides. We can easily create presentation in the PowerPoint. The seventh one is what is a slide? A slide is a page of presentation. It is like a 35 mm film-based slide. The slide can be considered as a workspace in PowerPoint where we place the content to create the presentation. A presentation can have one or more slides. Eighth question is write the main component of PowerPoint window. So following are the main component of a PowerPoint window. The first one is title bar, second one is ribbons and tabs, third one is outline or slide tab, fourth one is slide pane, fifth one is notes pane, sixth one is status bar, seventh one is view options. Ninth one is how will you play presentation for the audience in PowerPoint? And the answer is PowerPoint provides a variety of ways to play our presentation for viewers. Here are some key ways. The first one is press the shortcut key F5 to start the presentation from the first slide. Second one is press the shortcut key Shift plus F5 to start the presentation from the current slide. And 10th one is write about slide pane and notes pane in PowerPoint. So following is the description of slide pane or notes pane. First of all, we are talk about slide pane. This pane shows the current slide in our presentation. The second one is notes pane. This pane is located at the bottom of the slide pane. This pane is used to type notes related to slide content. And the 11th one is write the steps to create a new presentation using File tab in PowerPoint. And the answer is following are the steps to create a new presentation file using the File tab. The first one is click on the File tab. And second one is click on the new option. And third one is click on blank presentation. And fourth one is click on the create button. And the 12th one is what are placeholders? The placeholders are the dotted line container that are shown on the slide layout. They can hold a variety of content such as title, table, chart, pictures, clip arts, etc. And the 13th one is what are themes? A theme is a predefined set of colors, font, and visual effect. We use theme in our presentation to set a consistent and professional look of our slides. The 14th question is write the name of different view button available at the status bar of the PowerPoint window. And the answer is the status bar has 4 view buttons with a zoom slider. The first one is called normal view, second one is slide sorter view, third one is reading view, and the fourth one is slideshow view. The 15th question is what is gradient fill? A gradient is a mixture of 2 or more colors that merge with each other. The gradient fill is an option which is used to apply the gradient as a slide background. This option appears in the format background dialog box. And the 16th one is which options are available in the fill pane of the format background dialog box. And the answer is the fill pane has the following option. The first one is solid fill, second one is gradient fill, third one is picture or texture fill, and fourth one is pattern fill. And the 17th question is what is slide transition? Slide transition are the visual and motion effect. These effects are visible to us as we move from one slide to the next slide during the slideshow of the presentation. We use the transition tab to apply transition effect to the presentation. And the 18th one is what is animation? Animation are visual effect. These effects indicate movement on the object during the presentation. These slide object can be anything such as text, picture, chart, shape, etc. We can use the animation tab to apply animation effect to the presentation. And the 19th one is what are animation schemes in PowerPoint? So PowerPoint provides a collection of predefined animation effects. This collection of animation effect is called animation schemes. We can use the animation tab to implement animation scheme in the presentation. And 20th one is, how will you preview animations in PowerPoint? And the answer is, following are the steps to preview the animation effect. The first one is, click on the preview button of the animation tab. Second one is, animation effect will begin to play for the current slide. The 21st question is, write the name of 4 types of animation available in PowerPoint. And the answer is, PowerPoint provide 4 types of animation. The first one is entrance, second one is emphasis, third one is exit, and fourth one is motion path. And 22nd question is, what is memory? The memory of a computer is like the human brain. This is a storage area of the computer in which data and instructions are stored. Computer memory is divided into many smaller parts called cells. Each cell has a unique memory address. And 23rd question is, write the name of different types of memory. And the answer is, memory can be classified into 2 main types. The first one is internal memory, second one is external memory. And 24th one is, what is primary memory? Primary memory is the internal memory. This memory is also called main memory. The CPU has direct access to this memory. Computer cannot start without this memory. Primary memory can be classified into 2 main categories. The first one is ROM and second one is RAM. The CPU can read data from these memories very quickly. 25th one is, write the name of various types of ROM, and the answer is, ROM stands for read-only memory. Following are the name of different types of ROM. And the first one is MROM, which stands for mask ROM. Second one is PROM, which stands for programmable ROM. Third one is EEPROM, which stands for erasable and programmable read-only memory. Fourth one is EEPROM, which stands for electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. So now we will learn about long answer type questions. So each question carrying 5 marks. So the first question is, what is modem? Also explain its types and speed. So modem stands for modulator, demodulator. This device is used for connecting with the internet. It enables a computer to transmit data over telephone or cable lines. So types of modem. The modem are of 2 types. The first one is external modem. It is a separate device which is connected with the computer using cable. Its speed is more than the speed of internal modem. Second one is internal modem. It is fitted inside the system unit. It is slower in speed as compared to external modem. And second one is, explain the facilities provided by the internet. And the answer is, the following are the common facilities provided by the internet. And the first one is, internet provides us the facility to read news from various online newspapers. Second one is, internet is a major source of art and entertainment. Third one is, we can purchase many types of goods from home with the help of internet. Fourth one is, we can send and receive messages to anyone at any time with the help of internet. Fifth one is, we can book railway or air tickets from home with the help of internet. Sixth one is, we can do chatting with the help of internet. Seventh one is, internet provides us the facility of video conferencing. And the third question is, what is email? Write the advantages of using email. And the answer is, email stands for electronic mail. It is one of the most important services provided by the internet. We can send or receive messages to or from anyone at any time using email. We can send or receive text, picture, or any type of files using emails. So advantages of email are, so following are the main advantages of using email. The first one is cost. Cost given for use of internet is the only money given for using email. Second one is speed. Email messages can reach at their destination within no time. Third one is convenience. We can send email messages at any time according to our convenience. And the fourth question is, write a note on World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is also known as Web or W3. It is a collection of huge information. It indicates all the public websites which are connected with the internet throughout the world. Each website or page is given a unique name or address, which is known as URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator. We can access the information stored on the World Wide Web with the help of web browser such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. And the fifth question is, what are the main services provided by Internet? Explain briefly. In today's technological world, there are plenty of services that are provided by the Internet. So following are some of the important services provided by the Internet. The first one is email. We can send or receive messages worldwide using this service. Second one is chatting. It is an online conversation over the internet using text message. Third one is e-commerce. Doing business electronically with the help of internet is called e-commerce. Fourth one is searching. We can search any type of information on the internet. Fifth one is surfing. Process of using websites over internet is known as surfing. Sixth one is video conferencing. It involves face-to-face conversation using video cameras connected to computers. And seventh one is file downloading. We can download different type of files using internet. And sixth one is explain the need of information technology. So following uses in different areas shows the need of information technology. The first one is IT in business and industry. So information technology is required in business and industry to make the processing of work easier. Second one is IT in home. Information technology is required in homes for the purpose of education, communication, and entertainment. And the third one is IT in training. So information technology is required for the training purpose in the field of schools, colleges, and in many other areas. And seventh question is write the steps to view online result, and the answer is following process can be followed to view the online result. The first one is first of all open any web browser. Second one is now type the URL of website having result. Third one is select the session and class detail for which we want to view the result. Then fill the detailed data required to view the result such as roll number, name of the student, etc. So now click on the search result link or button. So eighth question is write a note on mobile technology. So mobile technology is a portable technology. This technology is a part of information technology. Mobile technology makes it possible to communicate with the places of the world that are very far from us. It has completely changed the face of communication. Following are some important uses of mobile technology. The first one is education. Second one is surveys and polling. Third one is banking. Fourth one is data analysis. The ninth question is explain about online shopping. So online shopping is a form of doing electronic commerce. It allows us to purchase goods and services from home using the internet. We can do online shopping at any time from any corner of the world. The bill payment of online shopping can be paid with the help of credit or debit card or net banking, etc. The purchased item will be delivered to our home by the merchant. Amazon, Flipkart, etc. are the popular e-commerce site for online shopping. And the 10th question is what is net banking? Explain. So net banking is also known as online banking. Net banking has completely changed the way of working of bank. We can do many banking activities from home with the help of internet. So following are some of the common activity that we can do from home using net banking. The first one is we can get detail of our bank accounts. We can do bill payment of electricity, etc. We can transfer funds to other accounts from our own accounts. Banks that provide the facility of net banking are also known as virtual bank, cyber bank, or web bank. So student, I hope you have well practiced the 1 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark question answer from lesson 1 to lesson 8 in this video so far. I hope you will get 50 out of 50 marks in the term 2 exam. Thank you.